Do you have this problem on your vehicle or your SUV on the black trims? These trims sometimes they fade, then they turn gray or like a kind of white spots, okay, and they look bad. So in today's video we're gonna fix that with this Graphene acrylic trim restorer from Turtle Wax. So let's test it, let's see how good it is, and let's see if it works. Okay, let's test it on this Honda Pilot. Okay, this is the first test. You can see here how it looks. It looks nice. This is one coat only. I did only one coat on this area. To see, I have a little bit of stains from this liquid, but I have to wash my hand. And I think you need an extra rag to clean any excess liquid on the paint. Okay, with this one, you can clean it like this. Okay, so this is before and after. It looks great. So now let's do the half of the truck. Let's make it black and let's see how it looks. Look at this, one side is done and it looks amazing. This is only one coat of trim restorer, so this is only one coat, but remember to use gloves because look at my hands. It's better if you use gloves. And I still can see it has some gray spots still because I only did one coat, so I recommend doing two coats on the trims, because it will look better with two coats. Look at this, I have some gray spots here. Look at that, looks nice, but it looks amazing. With one coat it looks great, but still one more. I can see here that it needs more for two coats. Okay, let's do two coats. And also to clean the spots like this one from the excess liquid, use a microfiber with a little bit of water or soap, and you can clean the excess liquid from the paint. But look at this. Looks amazing, beautiful. The liquid feels like wax with a little bit of rubber, but remember to do two coats. You see this in here, I can see it needs another coat. That looks great. With the second coat, I think it will look perfect. But let me show you here on the back. Look at this. This is before and after. Before and after. Look at this. Looks great. But still I have gray spots in there. So two coats. It's very important. Do two coats, and that is the perfect. It's gonna look perfect. And also the liquid, do it in circles. When you're applying these circular shapes for a better application of the liquid. It feels like a wax. And now I'm gonna do the other side. So let me do the other side, and now you will see the final result, the finished product. This is how you can clean the excess liquid from the paint. Use the water and soap and the microfiber. You just wipe that off with the microfiber. Okay, it's done. You can see it. It looks amazing. Look at this. It has a little bit of shine on the finish, but it looks great. Look at that. It's like a satin finish. But look at that. It looks beautiful. Super nice and black. I still have to clean a little bit of the edges of the paint because I have some extra liquid. But look at the back. The rear of the SUV. Amazing. Look at this. I already did 2 coats on this one. Also remember to use gloves because you don't want this on your fingers. It feels like a wax with rubber when you are applying this. But I think that's why it's making the trims black, because it's like a coat of rubber or something like that. But it works great. As you can see, it looks amazing. And also I did a little bit on the tires to make them look more black. But look at this. Amazing. It looks like brand new, a brand new SUV. Look at the front. I also did the front here. It looks great. It looks amazing. Look at that. I missed a little bit of the spots right there, but nah, I'll do those later. But you get the idea how it looks. It looks amazing. I love it. And 3 tips about this. Remember to use gloves. Okay? And the second tip, do 2 coats of this product. And the third tip, when you are applying this, do circular shapes when you are applying the product to the trims. But other than that, this looks amazing. I like it. I recommend it. If you like this product, the link is going to be in the description down below. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.